Who's ready for a little test kitchen action? Summer salmon. That's what I'm naming this dish. Salmon, logatelli, red onions, basil. I'm gonna cut these babies in half. Lemon, garlic, white wine, and I think I'm gonna use adobo to season both sides. Then I'm gonna use some black pepper. I'm trying to do something fancy, but it's not working. Butter and olive oil, and I'm going to saute about 5 to 6 minutes per side. Oh my gosh, very good. I put some new olive oil in there. I just took a little bit out, just a little bit, and I put some new olive. Tomatoes and red onion, just a little bit, crushed red. Looks like that. You're gonna add the garlic. Lemon, swish. I'm gonna try this little piece that came off. You guys are gonna like this. I'm gonna put the salmon back in. Look what I did, Lord. It's fine. Going in the oven. In the oven. Just for a little bit. Not that long. 400. Tomatoes all over your salmon. This isn't parsley, sorry. Basil. Grate some cheese. Grate fresh. This isn't parm. It's not parm. It is logatelli pecorino romano. So look. Mukbang time. You better make this. I'm not playing with y'all.